Hey guys, so join me today as I show you how I made this fantastic luxury Dior handbag. As you can see, very beautiful. So the first thing we need in this video, which is one of the major and important part of this, is a paper bag. So this Dior paper bag, you can get it anywhere you want. You can get it online. Mine, I got it online at very cheap. It's very cheap, so don't worry. Then as you can see, this PVC, this is the second most important thing we are going to be needing in this video. The handle, the third one. So first thing we have to do is first of all remove the handle from the paper bag, which we are not going to be needing, so you can throw that away. We don't need that one. I think I'm struggling. After which we have removed this, as you can see, everything is set. Now is to fit in the paper bag into the PVC bag. You see, this PVC, you have to get the one that is a little bit bigger than the paper bag, so it will fit in very well. I got the paper bag is a medium size and the PVC bag is a little bit bigger than that of that paper bag, so in order for it to fit in, as you can see, and voila, it fits very well. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to place the layer, the under layer of the bag. This I cut out from a leather, very thick leather. So as you can see, it's placed well, and now the next thing I'm going to do is to set the handle and install the handle. So these things you are seeing here, when you buy the handle, this always comes with the handle, and it comes with a screw. So inside it there is a nut, there is a screw, there is everything you need to make your own handle. So I'm fitting in my own. So while at it, while still installing the handle, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. You are going to stay put and enjoy the rest of the video because the outcome is going to be amazing. So please guys, stay tight. If you've not followed me or you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, please kindly follow me and I'll really appreciate it. If you really like this video, I do appreciate it again if you just give me a thumbs up, to like or leave a comment, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining me, and stay tight to watch till the end of this video as the way I put everything together. Okay, bye.